Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. First open your browser, Google, search Bing. Right to open link in new tab. Write from what you want to design. You will find the prompt in the description. Then click to create button. To view the image, click on the images and then click on the arrow to view next images. Click to download button. Click to preview images. To generate the images again, we will change the same prompt. Right-click to correct spelling. Again, click to create button. While the images are being generated, subscribe to my channel. Click to view images. Click the arrow button next images view. Images download now. To generate the images again, we will change the same prompt. Again, click to create button. Click to view images. Click the arrow button next images view. Images download now. Hope you like this video. Keep watching my channel like this. Similarly, I will keep bringing good video for you in future also. Subscribe my channel. Like, share, don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much. Bye bye.